A day in the life of John, learning English with simple stories. Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of A Day in the Life. Today, we'll follow John, a friendly guy living in the city. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's learn English together. John wakes up at 7 a.m. He turns off his alarm and stretches. Then he gets out of bed. John goes to the bathroom to wash his face and brush his teeth. He feels ready for the day. John goes to the kitchen. He makes a cup of coffee. He also toasts some bread and puts butter on it. John likes a simple breakfast. He eats slowly and enjoys the quiet morning. John leaves his house at 8 a.m. He walks to the bus stop. The bus arrives and John gets on. He sits by the window and looks outside. The city is busy, but John feels calm. At work, John sits at his desk. He writes emails and talks to his coworkers. At 12 p.m., he has lunch in the office cafeteria. After lunch, John works for a few more hours. He finishes at 5 p.m. John gets home at 6 p.m. He feels tired but happy. He takes a shower and changes into comfortable clothes. Then he reads a book and watches TV. At 10 p.m., John goes to bed. He had a good day. That was John's day. Did you understand everything? Practice listening and repeating. See you next time for another story.
Bye-bye.